Hi everyone, Owen Seats here. St. Alphonsus Regional Medical Center in Boise. Going to go over the new Ambu Screen for disposable bronchoscopes. So Ambu has done a good job in increasing the screen size over past models. They've made the port universal, so any type of Ambu disposable product will fit in here. So it used to be color specific. Turning it on is pretty straightforward. You press the green button. It'll cycle on pretty quickly. It lets you know that it is going through its self-start test by the little Ambu swirling thing up here. And it turns on pretty quickly. What's really nice about this one is the refresh rate is a lot better than on the earlier models. They definitely put some money into making that work. That's okay here. And this is what they call the zoom screen. It's by no means the double tap and open it up there. So it's a nice size viewing field. What's nice, I mentioned before, the refresh rate is pretty good. So I can kind of show you as you're coming in. Before it was a little stuttered as the processor was trying to catch up. It's pretty good real time right there. So kudos to Ambu on that. Press down the right hand corner here for color, contrast, sharpness, and brightness adjustments. Exit back out. It does have some recording capabilities. We don't use that here. You can talk to your rep about getting into that with them about how that works, but some pretty neat things that way. It can plug into a larger monitor if you have the correct connectors too as well. So altogether, a great little product here. We like to use them. I hope you found this helpful. Thanks for watching.